tool is simple. You upload a workspace photo and the system estimates key human factor safety indicators. We focused on elements that directly influence decision making, performance, and risk. Things like lighting, clutter, mood cues, and cognitive strain. This helps visualize how environmental conditions contribute to human error. Our concept uses Google AI Studio to extract basic visual cues from images. The system looks at lighting quality, stress or clutter indicators, color tone, and even subtle mood cues. These factors are combined into scores that simulate cognitive load and potential error risk. The idea isn't to build a full AI model. It's to demonstrate how even simple AI logic can support human factors engineering. We also included dashboard visualizations. The results can be shown as bar charts or radar charts, so users can quickly identify which factors are contributing the most risk. Each image has an individual report, and we added a comparison mode for multiple images. Here are three features we added to extend the tool. First, users can upload multiple images, great for comparing two workstation setups. Second, a comparison dashboard shows difference in mood, clutter, cognitive load, and error probability. And finally, the system can export a PDF report with the charts and improvement suggestions, making it useful for documentation or class submissions. There are many potential use cases for this concept. Engineering and manufacturing workstations can use it to evaluate layout and lighting. Control rooms can monitor cognitive strain. Warehouse and logistic floors can assess clutter and navigation hazards. Even healthcare and research operations could use a tool like this to reduce human error in high pressure tasks. This tool can be used in a wide range of real-world environments. In engineering and manufacturing workstations, it helps identify clutter, lighting issues, and human error risks. In office and control room environments, especially where operators monitor critical systems, the tool can highlight cognitive strain or poor environmental conditions. Warehouses, logistics floors can use it to assess navigation hazards and overall workspace organization. Maintenance and technical labs benefit from spotting fatigue or unsafe setups before even the work begins. And finally, research operations and healthcare workflows can use this analysis to support safer decision making in high pressure environment. Overall, the tool is flexible and can support safety improvement anywhere humans interact with complex systems. This is our dashboard prototype. Here the user can see all the scores clearly: mood clutter, cognitive load, and error probability. The system also labels the overall risk level and provides a detailed assessment below with lighting and clutter analysis. Everything is designed to be simple, visual, and easy to understand. Okay, so this is our uh, safety dashboard. As you can see, the software's name is Human Factor Safety Tool. It's a risk analysis tool. So I'm going to make a couple of analysis. So first, we're going to create a first analysis here. That is, you can see we have the option to upload multiple workspace images. So I'm going to select some images. They are given random names: workspace 1, workspace 2, workspace 3, and workspace 4. We're going to analyze all four of them. It's going to take a little bit of time for us to analyze what's going on. Okay, so we can see this is the mood score, stress, clutter, cognitive load, and error probability. Here we got a risk profile analysis of the combined report and a detailed assessment report, which is the detailed written report, which we can also download by PDF format. Here's the lightning analysis, organization clutter, color psychology, stress indicators, safety, and recommendations are given. We can press on each of them. Uh, my apologies, it is only showing for workspace 4 now. If we click each of them, they will show us different results. This is for workspace 3, this is for workspace 2, and this is for workspace 1. So now I'm going to go to the compare workspaces option. Here I have the option to select all of them, and you can see as soon as I selected just two of them, they gave me the option to download report. And you can see the bar charts. This is the radar chart of the combined one, and it's showing me the detailed comparison table of which one works the best and which one needs most improvement, and also across workspace average and some key takers from which are the best practices from workspace 4, and immediate attention needed and standardization opportunity. And I can download the report as a PDF format. You can see the preview here. That should be it. So now I want to briefly talk about Google AI Studio and how um, since this project was built around it, one of the biggest advantages of Google AI Studio is how easy it is to prototype ideas without needing heavy coding. The interface is clean, you can upload images instantly, and built-in version tools give fast feedback on lighting, objects, and environmental features. For a class project, this really speeds things up. We were able to focus on the concept and analysis on rather than spending hours training a full machine learning model. Another thing we appreciate is how Google's AI Studio normalizes um, and centralizes everything. You can test prompts, view outputs, and iterate quickly. It helps us shape the scoring logic for mood, clutter, and cognitive load much faster than traditional coding environment. Here you can see that actually use a tool called Base 44, but the overall idea we got are from Google AI Studio. However, there are limitations. The free version doesn't allow deep or custom image model training, so we couldn't fully build a fully specialized human factors detector from scratch. Some advanced features like emotions analysis, real ergonomic measurements aren't available. You can see that from the reports we have generated so far, and the platform also requires stable internet access, which is like for a developed country that's probably not a big of a deal, but for a country which is developing an internet issue, constant internet issue, this might be a problem. It's a great prototyping tool but not production ready on its own. Overall, our viewpoint is that Google AI Studio is excellent for early stage development, experimentation, and teaching AI concepts. It's perfect for quick image analysis demos and class projects, but a more powerful platform would be needed to scale this into a fully industrial safety application. Thank you. That would be all. Thank you for your time and energy. Feel free to give your valuable input.